All right, so today we have to round a 5 and 6-digit number to the nearest 10,000. Yesterday we talked about our rounding roller coaster, which I'm about to draw in the middle. Our rounding roller coaster has numbers going up and down. Some numbers that are going down are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Some numbers that are going up on a roller coaster are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The first number we have is 72,744. If we were to round it to the nearest 10,000, we would have to underline the digit in the 10,000 spot. The digit in the 10,000 spot is 7. And the digit that we're going to circle is 2. 2 is going down on the roller coaster. So that means all of the other numbers would be a 0. Now we're going to rewrite the number as 7,000. So that means that 72,744 rounded or is closer to 70,000. If we were to look at it on a number line, we would have 70,000, 75,000, and 80,000. 72,000 would be right here. So it is closer to 70. Now we are going to try to round this number. It is 337,601. Let's see if we could identify the number in the 10,000 spot. This number has 6 digits, which means that there's 100,000. And the unit that comes before the 100,000 is 10,000. So I'm going to underline the digit 3, and I'm going to circle the digit 7. Let's take a look at the roller coaster. 7 is going up. So that means that we're going to add one more to the number next door, and these other numbers are now going to become 0. Let's add one more to the digit that is underlined. So first we're going to start off with 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. And the other numbers become 0. So that means that 337,601 is closest to 340,000. Let's take a look at what that looks like on a number line. On the number line, we would have 300. We would have 330,000. In the middle, we would have 335,000. And on our higher end, we will have 340,000. Of course, by now you all seen a pattern. Where would our 337,601 go? If you're saying it will go between the high point, you're correct. That number is way closer to the nearest new 1,000 or 10,000 than the other number. Now it's your turn to try. All right. So now we're going to use a vertical number line to round a 6-digit number to the nearest 100,000. I'm going to quickly draw a place value chart for review, so we can identify which digit is in the 100,000 spot. Of course, if we were to draw our place value chart, we're going to put our lines, and then we write the numbers at the top: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and of course, a million. Let's put the number inside of the place value chart, starting with the ones. In the ones place, we have a 5. In the tens place, we have an 8. In the hundreds place, we have a 0. Next, we have our comma. Then we have a 9 in the thousands place, a 4 in the 10,000s place, and a 7 in the 100,000s place. It says we're rounding to the nearest 100,000. So that means that the digit that we are going to underline is a digit in the 100,000. The digit next door is a 4. That's the digit we're going to circle. Let's think about it. Is 4 going up or down on a roller coaster? Well, 4 was one of those digits that were going down. So that means that all of the other numbers become a 0. And now we're going to write the new number as 700,000. This is what it looks like when we round to the nearest 100,000. You put a line under the digit in the 100,000 spot, circle the digit next door. If it's going up on the roller coaster, we add one more. Down, we make them all zeros. All right, now what we're going to do is give an estimation, something really close to the real answer. And how we're going to do that is with when we add and subtract those units. But first, we're going to round it to the nearest 10,000 unit. Step 1, our strategy is always to rewrite the number. That way, when we underline it, it's really clear and we can see what digit we're actually rounding. We need to find a digit in the 10,000 spot. So I'm going to rewrite our 505,351. Sorry, 341. And now what I'm going to do is underline the digit in the 10,000 spot, which is a 0. And next we're going to circle the 5. 5 is going up on our roller coaster. So that means we're going to add one more to 0. And the other digits are now going to be 0, making our answer 510,000. Next, we are going to go ahead and rewrite the next number that we are going to add. The next number we're going to add is 193,841. The number we are going to underline is the number in the 10,000 spot. This number has 9 in the 10,000 spot. The digit we're going to circle is 3. 3 is going down on the roller coaster, so the other numbers become 0, making our new rounded number 190,000. Now what we're going to do is add both units together. I'm going to go off to the side and I'm going to say what is 510,000 plus 190,000. We start to add from our ones place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 in the tens are 0. 0 hundreds plus 0 hundreds is also 0. Next, we need our comma. We're now going to add the units in the thousand spot right here. And what is a thousand? 0 plus 0, which is 0. 9 plus 1, 9, 10. So we're going to put a 0 here in our new 100,000 below. Let's circle it. What's in our circle now? 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So when we add those two estimations together, our answer is 700,000. This is how we would add and subtract units rounded to the nearest 10,000.